Very good. Good afternoon. We are now going to hit the second video. This is going to show the student view. What I have done is I've logged into my account for Blake Alpha. He is a fictitious student in my Algebra 1 first block class. So as he's logged into his class, he gets an idea of what's happening in all his different classes, those who have submitted grades. He can take a look at what events he has. You'll notice in algebra he has 3 different events, including watch the video, study session, and unit test. He also has an assignment in his accounting class. One other assignment that he has is in political science. He has a Hamilton quiz. And this is showing all 8 classes. What I want to do is I want to get this focused down to just one class. And we're going to click over here to algebra. So click on that. This gives us a really quick view of what's happening in terms of Blake's attendance. He's been absent twice, tardy once. I can see his overall performance in terms of standards. And we go down here a little further, we can see what the different assignments that he has. All right. Just like before, what we're going to do is we're going to go to that tab on the top left corner. And this is going to be the second choice for him. He doesn't have the ability to grade his own assignments, but he can go into class pages. So we're going to pull up his LMS page right here, and we're going to see here we are in algebra. And I have an assignment right here under class announcements. Go to the iPad demo page, watch the short video, and then answer the questions on Jayhawk quiz. And he's going to be able to access this quiz in 2 different spots. One is directly from here from the home page. You'll see it over here as a second activity. And I'm going to go down here to demo site. All right, so if he wanted to watch this video, all he would have to do is click on the play button for the YouTube video, and he can watch this video talking about how to work the order of operations on a problem such as this. It's kind of a neat video because it really shows the historical differences of what's happening. But for our lesson today, what we want to do is he watches the video. Now we want him to do something with this. He's going to take his Jayhawk quiz. So he begins here. He's going to have these directions. So to watch the video, he watches as many times as he wanted to. He has to answer 3 questions. All right. And we're going to start the exam. Now, if he wanted to watch the video some more, he could close this window here, and you go back to the video until he's ready to watch it. In this situation, we want him to start this exam. And here's my questions. All right, so he has question number 1, prior to 1917. You'll notice that from the questions before, he was able to we were going to be able to scramble those choices. We got question number 2 here in the answer. If I were having trouble with this, a student can go over here and they could flag this. I'll come back to it later. All right, and we go to the very next question. Question number 3. And he hits right here. He's able to answer all 3 questions. He hits OK. And he wants to hit the I finished button. Are you sure you want to do this? So it's really important for this assessment right here. His grade has been done. He scored on his first attempt 6 out of 8 points. And he's going to close this window. As a teacher, I would have had this ability to allow him to go back and see his answers and his questions as many times as I want to. For this situation, I only had them watch it 1 time. This concludes the student flow of the iPad.